Alright guys, what's up? Go get some!
The dudes are back in town!
Yeah.
Subscribe please to our channel. This will be our main channel. We will be doing a vlog channel on the side. We haven't decided what content's gonna be up yet, but it will be amazing, you guys. Follow,
Yeah.
we'll follow back. Alright.
Yeah. So we're gonna play this one song that we wrote about 1 year ago.
About a very bad relationship.
Yeah.
But now it's
That
good.
we had 1 year ago, but now it's good now.
We had a relationship with the same girl, and we both got over her. But she's married to this guy now.
Yeah.
But it was fine.
But he got over it, so.
We got over it. Yeah, let's go.
You have the intro.
Alright guys, that's gonna be all for today. Follow up for newly updates.